My name is Muhammad Usman. I am from Pakistan and I am studying engineering management from UT Taxila. My title of presentation is Development of Lean Maturity Model for the Assessment of the Lean in Manufacturing Industries of Pakistan. Or secondly, next moving to the contents of the presentation. This is introduction, aims and objectives, methodology, results, conclusion and limitations. And I will try to cover my presentation in 10 minutes. From introduction, first I will define the lean manufacturing. It is about the minimizing the waste and focus on customer value. Lean is basically defined as removing the waste, any type of waste, and any type of the waste that produce nothing and that gives no output value to the final product. And it is also focused on the customer value because customer define the value of the product. Therefore, the basic concept of the lean manufacturing is to avoid and minimize all those objectives, all those methods, all those processes that contribute nothing. And next is lean assessment. Assessment is basically the assessment of how much lean is implemented in the industry. It is basically of two types, quantitative and qualitative. Quantitative means we assess the lean on the basis of through calculations, formulas, and analytical methods. And qualitative means through survey questions and any other basically model which access qualitatively in questionnaire or survey. My basic work is on the qualitative method. Lean self-assessment is basically the qualitative method and in which industry self-assesses the lean manufacturing in its organization. One of the most, uh, you can say, one of the most lean self-assessment method used is LESAT, Lean Enterprise Self-Assessment. It has 54 assessment practices, and my model is based on the LESAT, which is Modified Lean Assessment Model. Aims and objectives. Basic the main is to assess the level of lean maturity or level of leanness in the local industries of Pakistan. As in Pakistan, there is industries, but they have not state of the art. Most of the production is uh, based on the imports of the work in process part, and these are assembled and distributed. There are some industries and product manufacturing industries which have which are producing but not standardized. So it is very crucial to achieve the standardized method and producing quality products to target every industry so that uh, our export may be increased, which increases the revenues. Also, the third objective is to assess the researchers and lean assessors to understand the lean factors, lean barriers by highlighting the areas of deficiency and to suggest a better plan. Means it also help the other researchers so, to access the lean manufacturing in their own country. Methodology as there is a lot less time, I can't share the whole literature views. I am just giving the some few points. Selection of the factors for the assessment of lean manufacturing through a detailed literature review. I have pointed out main factors on which the lean depends, and I will show in the next slide. Each research paper has been read and summarized. Lean manufacturing factors which the author considered or worked in his research were highlighted, and through a whole table is generated and through brainstorming and contact with the practitioners, I have selected the most important lean manufacturing factors. The factors selected are first classified into three groups: enterprise level, shop floor level, and sustainability. Means these factors are first total are 15 factors and they are some classified in three groups: top management, leadership, communication, learning, quality, and these you can see in the slide. Next is questionnaire development. On the basis of selected factors, a detailed questionnaire-based survey has been made. Each question is rated on 5 points Likert scale. The capability model is shown in the next slide. Further, the sample size is 100 chosen. Capability level means each question is uh, you can say rated on the five levels: level 1, 2, 3, and 5. Level 1 is initial, means lean is implemented or in an initial state, while in level 5 it means the lean is practically implemented. These are the results, and results are shown only three because its survey filling is in progress. First is leadership, and you can see the results. The respondent has responded on the target. It means they target that for future level in after coming few years they see that the leadership must be in fifth category, but in the current they rated 343, means management in uh, you can say formal procedure, how much leadership contribute in lean manufacturing, document business plan, top management. These are rated 3, 4, and this is the spider bar chart, and it shows that leadership is uh, lagging behind in implementing the lean. Next is quality. It is very important. For example, customer model, quality groups, defects rate. They are rated, and it shows that quality is much more important in the industries. Therefore, they rated 4 out of 5. For future plan, they have rated 5. These are the cost, and similarly, cost means that for implementing lean, the cost is also very important, but it is rated after the quality. So in moving to the manufacturing process, this is very important because all the manufacturing process lean must be implemented. For continuous improvement, lean is rated as 3. For future, it is rated as 5. So in it is concluded in the next slide that in manufacturing process, lean tools must be implemented so to avoid defects, so to avoid any other inconsistency like time management, etc. Conclusion: many manufacturing are lagging behind in lean adoption, as is seen in the results. From assessment, manufacturing processes and quality are the most critical, which require more attention in terms of lean because our whole manufacturing and or the final product depends on the quality and customs certification. So quality and manufacturing process must be standardized and based on OEM. And lastly, the overproduction inventory is major problem where industry pays most because it is due to ill planning, bad planning, and also you can say on not on the time delivery or customer side. There are the two limitations: hesitation in sharing the study because most of the industries don't want to share the information. They just want to do by itself. They don't encourage that the third party interfere in their matters. Culture change in the industry means, as highlighted in the leadership, that leadership is not, you can say, not in a mood to change the, uh, to adopt the lean practices. So this is the limitation. Thank you for this slide. Thank you so much for the presentation.